Question: Why is December 23rd sometimes called Festivus, and how did this quirky holiday originate? Answer: December 23rd is celebrated as Festivus thanks to a legendary episode of Seinfeld titled The Strike, which aired in 1997. In the episode, George Costanza's father, Frank, introduces the world to his alternative to the stress and commercialization of Christmas. Festivus comes with its own bizarre traditions, such as an unadorned aluminum pole because tinsel is too distracting, the airing of grievances where you tell your family how they've disappointed you over the year, and the feats of strength, which involves wrestling the head of the household to the ground. Frank's memorable declaration, "Festivus for the rest of us," cemented its place in pop culture history. Although entirely fictional, Festivus has transcended its sitcom origins to become a real-life parody holiday celebrated by fans. People gather for Festivus dinners, share grievances on social media, and even host wrestling matches, though liability waivers are highly recommended. Sociologists argue that the holiday's popularity highlights a universal desire to poke fun at societal norms, particularly around the often overwhelming holiday season. It's a science experiment in social satire that went unexpectedly viral. Interestingly, Festivus wasn't entirely born in the Seinfeld writers' room. Dan O'Keefe, one of the episode's writers, based it on a quirky holiday his own father invented in the 1960s. However, the original version was more of a free-form family event, complete with a tape recorder documenting grievances, because if you're going to air complaints, you might as well preserve them for posterity. In modern times, Festivus has taken on a life of its own, even attracting attention from physicists. The aluminum pole, it turns out, is a surprisingly good example of minimalism in materials science. It's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and bonus, it requires no ornamentation, making it both aesthetically and chemically pure. If Frank Costanza weren't fictional, he might have been a secret materials engineering genius. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of December, remember, Festivus is an option. Gather your friends, put up an aluminum pole, and embrace the absurdity of the season. It's a holiday scientifically designed to bring a little levity and a lot of laughs, no gifts required.